आपसे काफ़ी कम जाती हूँ.
Hi everyone, welcome back after a very long time. And today the vlog is about the hackathon that I attended at Gurgaon.
It's 6 o'clock right now, and we are supposed to leave Delhi to reach Gurgaon.
It took us 1 hour to reach the office, which was Deutsche Telekom Digital Labs, called DTDL, where hackathon was conducted. We are finally here at the venue, and the weather is amazing as it's weekend, it's morning, there's no traffic, and this is my view. We completed registration to go inside it so that we can get this pass to get inside using this scanner. Today I'm wearing jeans top, pearl earrings with my pink watch. I really love how unique and beautiful this reception is. I have sunshine on my face and there are plants behind me. It's like greenhouse. This place is Cyber City DLF Phase 2 in Gurgaon. It's a very famous place. And you can tell why because of the ambience. Oh, let's go inside the DTDL office. But first we need to go inside the building using this. And after doing the scanning thing, you can just go in like this. This elevator has 15 floors on it and we need to go on 10. So we are finally at largest women's hackathon of India called Chhalaang, and DTDL is hosting it. The DTDL office is so pink and cutesy vibes it has. We are done with the registration, so whenever you come to offices like these, you need to do first building registration and then the office registration. As I'm going inside, I'm just showing you the office, and everything is in pink theme.
Hi guys.
Hi, good morning.
It's Mukta.
It's
I'm really
Welcome to your
excited
YouTube
for
channel. Very nice. All the best for Chhalaang. You can move on to that side for good.
This we will be starting team introductions.
Go
In
Chhalaang.
15
Yay,
minutes.
go Chhalaang.
As soon as we arrived in the morning, they assigned us the problem statement that we needed to work on along with the table with our team. For people who are not familiar with the hackathon, basically we are given the problem statement and then we need to code a website or app for that problem statement to solve it. And there are multiple levels of the hackathon, and this was the final round at the venue. All the other rounds were virtual. So this is Chhalaang, India's largest women hackathon. For this, first resumes were shortlisted. Second, we had the DSA coding round, which was virtual. And then when we were shortlisted, we were formed into teams and we were called at the venue, which is DTDL where we are at. And then we are given a new problem statement on the same day. And now we have to code an app to solve it. Best one wins many prizes. The beauty of this office is distracting me a lot. After walking through the whole office, we are finally at the pantry where we would eat food today. In breakfast, they had cookies on the sidebar and veg sandwich, non-veg sandwich along with the puff patties. And there were fruits as well, which were like apple and bananas. After serving the breakfast or food, you can come to this place where there was table tennis table, and this is the view. This is the view everywhere in the office. Like, it's amazing. No matter how many times I see it, and look at the food eating area. Like, can you not believe it that it's not a restaurant? There are sofa kind of seatings this side, and there are tables and chairs on that side, and people are having breakfast. I met some people too. There is this vending machine where you can have chips or juices, and there is tea, coffee, and cookies, which was for free, but I do not drink tea or coffee.
Yeah, come on. DTDL takes her out again. What do we say? Go!
Chhalaang!
Go!
Chhalaang!
Go!
Chhalaang!
यार वेज पब में दम नहीं था क्या? Go!
The largest telco in the world. Did any of you know that? Now, we are the largest telco in the world. You may know us by our brand name, right? You would have seen the T on buy our t-shirts. Football fans.
one we do in US for the western part, and one we do in the eastern part. This year, multiple teams also went to Baku. We don't have videos for it yet, but this was what.
The entire website and then post it on high level. And we're proud to say activity. Found out through a lot of studies, and that's what we are changing. Correct? That we should be open enough in saying, and we are consuming this meat.
The sessions and coding was going on simultaneously, and now I'm at the washroom again showing my watch and my pearl earrings. Washroom had everything too, like Vaseline, body lotion, name face wash, mouthwash, brush, sanitary napkins. My team got the problem statement from DTDL itself to prepare a card sharing feature which should be shared in real time among different kinds of peoples at a one time, and we need to submit a video, we need to submit a demo of the project, we need to submit the code, we need to submit the PPT, and we have to present it in front of the judges by 5 p.m. So everybody was working on different sections of the project. Somebody was working on back end, somebody was working on front end, somebody was working at PPT, somebody on videos. This is the cafeteria area for tea breaks. This has foosball, caroms, chess, and a round table in between with plants. I love how this office has plants everywhere. And obviously tea, coffee, water, and cookies. We were working on our project for the rest of the time on the same table, and then I got up to eat lunch, and they had many delicious food, but mainly rice. I think it's because of that people were from all backgrounds, north, south, east, west, who came to Gurguram for this hackathon, and this was finale. So I think rice was good for everybody. Also got to network a lot, and they all were very sweet and kind to me, even though they were from different teams, and kinda they were like my competitors, but everybody felt like a friend to me, and we connected very fondly. And it was not only participants but also the organizing companies and participating companies were very nice to me, and I got to meet many recruiters too, and we could directly communicate with them that how their company works and what tech stack they use and how they hire and etc, whatever we wanted to know. And every company gave us some goodies to the participants because it was finale. And if you want to know what were in the goodies, because there were so many, you can check that out in my channel in another video. And again, we were coding in different sections of the office in the same area, like our table was just beside this cute table, and there are bean bags, there is cafeteria table, there is this amazing view. I know I keep saying that, but I really love it. And these are the tables where everybody is working, but right now we are just enjoying this different ambience.
ये देखो गाइस मेरा प्रोजेक्ट हाई बोलियो फेक फॉलोअर्स को
In between of this, they shot our interviews and clips. I do not know where they posted because I do not see them. And there were games too like this where I reached finale as well. And in this game, we needed to drink the sachet, and whoever drinks it first would win the bag. But they said that it should be dissolved, but people drank it right away, and they did not check whether it was dissolved or not.
Sure. You need help? So whatever you have in your hand right now is basically the Clicks ACV refresh and recharge. That's basically going to get you more energetic and get you back to work and get the codes rocking and cracking. Now I'm going to ask Ankush to start the timer again. Whoever please make sure these are just not powders. These are dissolvable tablets that need to dissolve. Okay, so just don't take it all in one. Okay, so 2, 1, and your time starts now. Don't choke it. Let it dissolve. Your time started. Okay. Nancy, can you have second? Okay, third. Okay, we got it. We got it. We got the three. We got the three. Okay, can we have a round of applause for the three winners? Everybody, come on. Louder. Come on. Louder. A little more louder. Okay, great. So I would request Amit to kindly please hand over the goodie bags to all of them, and you can stand there for a quick picture. Okay, while they're posing for a picture, can we please continue clapping for them? Come on, everybody. 3.
There was this countdown of submission that was going on in projectors, and this is how the setup is. There are plants, and this was where I was showing you the other areas, and then again the cafeteria and the mugs that I was talking about. And there is this coffee and tea machine. People are shooting here, and there are chests. There is this chhalaang photo booth that they created for us, and you can have closer look at this washroom and me. I regret not putting stickers on this time, and it was so early. I came here at 7 a.m. and we are going to stay here till 9 p.m. Let's see how amazing this place is, as there are boards as well to discuss the prototype and ideas. There are these charging ports inside the table, and then there is this countdown to see how much time that we have left. People who submitted early, I think who were hopeless, got another gift hamper, and there are evening snacks which included burger and chocolate croissant, which was my absolutely favorite because people who know me knows how much I love dessert. And this time I took coffee too. That's that me espresso. And I ate it with my team after submitting the project and presenting it to the judges. Now we are relaxed, and this was the table that I was talking about earlier. And we are waiting for the results. Till then, I can show you more things. So these are the tables which has these holders of computer, and there is another cool place that I'm going to show. I think this is the shower place, and then there is this gym area which has cool quotes written on it. And here it is, the gym of the office. Does people come in office and do gym here and then code? I wonder if that is like that. Did you notice that I was wearing cat locket today? I'm totally Lino's girl. And now everybody is going to present their ideas and projects, what they submitted one by one towards judges. And till then, we have to wait for the results. This is the same window that I showed you in the morning, and at night, it looks like this. And this is the board where you can discuss your ideas visually. I think this is very cool office to work in. They have literally everything which a person might need. In my office they have boards too, not gonna lie, and it really helps. Right now everybody is presenting their ideas through presentation of PPT in conference room. We need to stay here till results are announced, because who knows, we could be the winner. Winning team would win the cash prize along with the hamper, and we did not win anything, but I will still show you all the office. This is the reception that I showed you in the morning. Again, people are shooting something, some people are doing interviews for posting on socials hopefully, and this is how the view looks like. So this was how my first offline hackathon went like, which was in office. Let me know if you guys have gone to any hackathon. This was the largest women hackathon, and I was in finale. I was really proud. I got to meet so many people, so many amazing women who were very supportive of me, even though we all were in different teams. And DTDL hosted us in most wonderful way, along with Metamorph, who conducted chhalaang hackathon. And now we are heading to home. It was like 9 p.m. But hackathons are like that. Some hackathons are 24 hours long, some are 12 hours long. And today I was here from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. And there were 3-4 people who came from my area, so I'm going to home with them. This was the most wonderful event that I have ever attended this year so far, and it was a hackathon.
Exactly, नहीं उसने उसने उस चीज़ को
guys, we are ending the vlog and I'm here with
के पीछे कि मुझे आपसे पहले बात करनी चाहिए और डॉक्टर से भी पूछना चाहिए जैसे आपसे और लक्ष्मी से कृतिका का कैसा वो है
we are coming from chhalaang hackathon and we are a great experience now. We are heading back.